Hello and welcome guys. Today going to be doing the unboxing video of the high grade build fighters from Battlelog episode 5, Striker GN-X, or Jinx as I'm going to say because that's just the way it sounds. Mario Renato's mobile suit. Now the Renato brothers from the first series of build fighters, they're back in this episode of Battlelog. Some spoilers here guys, just ahead, so don't listen if you don't want to know, just skip over the next 30 seconds. So the Renato brothers fought Meijin Kawaguchi in the first series. They had their war against him. This time, there's not just one or two, but there's actually 3 brothers, so they're triplets, not twins. And they all have a very similar Striker GN-X mobile suit. It's just slight variations on it, and I think you might get some spare parts in this. We'll find out to make 1 or 2 of them. And this is apparently Mario Renato's version of it. And it'll be these 3 Striker GN-X's versus the PG Exia and the HG Cherudum Saga in the Battlelog episode 5 video. So, as always, proudly sponsored by Banzai Hobby. Check out the link to the kit in the description. This is just new for February. Oh, actually no, so it's 2 weeks. Yeah, so late January 2018. Let's take a look at the box. Good box art. Kit with the massive gun. Here, GM counterattack and the Battlelog logo. Apparently it says Gunpla battle will further accelerate. Scan the barcode there. Leads to a video. And it says made in 2018, so brand new kit. Let's take a look at the sides. Let's just have a look. There we go. It says here that the GN Smart Gun, a GN Discharger, the shields on the shoulders can be divided and attached to the elbows. GN Defense Rod, which looks like a beam saber coming out. Oh, sorry, they're the defense rods, like the other... name escaping me from 00. Yeah, they had the spinning things on their arms as well to deflect beams and such. They can unfold. It says here that there's a beam saber on the gun, and you can see here in this photo that it's actually additional armor is detachable and the head is newly designed. So that's actually just a dome cover sitting over the head, but the head is underneath. There's more in the HGBF line. You can see the Cherudum Saga on the side. Just more standard box art. This is number 065 in the line. Front and back view. And I'll see if I can zoom in for you, and we'll leave the English there for you to check out. The kit was 2,000 yen. Now that seems quite pricey, but it's a fairly hefty box. There seems like there's a lot of plastic in here. And just the other side view. So let's crack it open. Pretty excited about this. Like I said, it's about my 2nd or 3rd GBF kit. Okay, the runners are all on top, and yeah, there is a lot of plastic in here, guys. This might take me a little bit longer than a standard high grade. In the bottom of the box, we had a color manual, and I've got a little barcode. I'm not sure what this is for. Could be some competition. We'll check. I'll check that out, and I'll let you know. So you can see here just the standard kind of booklet, the Striker GN-X. I'll give you an in-depth look there. So it's GN-X-611TG, 19.5 meters tall, which is quite tall, and 81.7 tons. Saying, there you go, the guys that have built it, a spiel on them. Let's have a look at the guide. I mean, I'm kind of expecting this should have been based on the original GN-X. Just saying, in the lineup for build fighters and the Battlelog, you could have also got Super Femina, which I have 0 interest, the reversible Gundam, which is kind of cool, and the Cherudum Saga Gundam. There's also the ballistic weapons and the 24th century weapons packs, which I haven't got but do look cool. There is a color guide there. More information on GN particles, some more information on the kit. It looks pretty cool from the back, I must admit. Ooh. Where have we gone to? Oh, there we go. I'm sorry, guys, I'm just hashing this up. Yeah, actually, there is a few extras that things that we won't be using. Wow. So what I'm going to guess has happened here was this is a new kit for 2018, but they've used the, there must be an original GN-X, which I don't have any 00 kits apart from this. Well, it's kind of a customized 00 kit. And it looks like there might be some rifle parts, some armor parts, definitely some polycaps. And I'll show you what's left on the runners when we're finished. Build-wise, we'll start with the body, and this now includes English in these guides from, what, about 2016 we started seeing it, 2015, particularly with the IBO kits. It says start applying stickers first. I do see a sticker sheet here. Now what I'm going to be doing with this kit as well, I probably won't use the stickers to start with because I'm going to be using the Gundam markers that we received also to review those. I'm going to use it on this kit to paint some parts. So we'll build the body, the head, we'll build the right arm, left arm. We'll then build or assemble that, and we will then look at the right leg, left leg, waist unit, yeah, we go, right around there, from, what's that, 26. Oh, go all the way inside and then we revert to color. It's telling you to assemble it. Compatible with BA 4-9 round insert connector for the Action Base 2 and the HG Build Custom GP base, which is sold separately. I don't have one of those yet. Then you assemble the backpack and the weapons attached to the backpack. Then the GN Smart Gun, which is absolutely huge. I love it. You've then also got a beam saber, or the rod can attach to the GN beam saber can attach to the rifle itself, more like a bayonet. And that's it, guys. So I mean, yeah, this looks like the original GN-X or the advanced GN-X, which just came out as well with that part there. So there is basically additional armor which goes on to make this a non-standard GN-X. So we'll see what I do, whether I fully armor it up or not. But yeah, really cool. Let's have a look at the runners. Ooh, sorry. Okay. So in here we have H2, which is made in 2017, which is about right for when this would have been being produced, 2017, and this is G2, and some more weapon armor parts. Oops. We have another, this is H1 out of the H2, so it has some similar parts on it. This was also 2017. Now, I'm only going through the runners, guys, just to show you when they were made versus how much is the original kit. This is the polycap thing, which is the same polycap since 1999. Okay, ooh, this is the a big bag with some stickers in it. Now, this is the stickers, and compared to the sheet I just unboxed, this has a metric ton of stickers in it. Although with the purple, I might see if I can paint silver and then some sort of clear over it for the GN condenser or engine. And then there's some kind of grey with blacks on them, circles, Aztecing, I guess, almost. Yeah, that's interesting. I might try and paint the eyes since they're just black. What else have we got here? We have the A runner. Clear part there. Hands, weapons, armor, orange beam sabers. Interesting. This is also, this is 2008. So this is obviously a recolor of the original, GN-X or Jinx. This is the GN-X AS runner. G1, G2 G1, and this is 2017, so that's a newer runner. And we're down to our last bag. So far this is mostly new. I mean, polycaps are always going to be older. There's no need to redesign the wheel as such, they work. Last bag, we have the B runner, and this is 2008, so it's the second old runner. And then we have the, here it is, more brown, HG144. Looks like it's skis or something I heard about. 2008 runner. This is a parts of a weapon that maybe I can use for something else if it's not in use for this kit. This is the C runner. So, fair bit of plastic there, guys. Just grab that and you can see that's a fair amount. So, I will snap this up, we'll get a quick look going, and then I will give you a review on it, and then we'll look at the Gundam markers. So, thank you very much for joining us, guys. Thank you very much to Benzai Hobby, and I'll be back. Bye bye.